this time. Come on, throw the switch. Jeez. Here we are. Hopefully. Ah, yes. Let's see what we got. That is a Class 66 Freightliner hauling biomass at night. Probably heading to Carrington Power Station. Trouble with the livery on the Drax is they don't show up that well at night. That's quite a meaty one. I'm beginning to see why he closed it so early. Bloody hell. And you can just hear a Metrolink going past on the other side. And there you go, that's heading to Old Trafford. A double. Right. Okay. That looks about right to me, so I will see you in the next one. Hello, for now.